Rockit Rocks It, and in this video I'm showing you guys what I am rocking, and it is this beautiful flower crown, flower headband, and this amazing flower choker. Unfortunately, guys, we have officially lost all of the sunlight, but today was a crazy day. This was the quickest I could sit down, and I want to get this video out before Coachella. To everyone who's going to Coachella this weekend, shout out to you. Your girl truly isn't going. Rockit is going to be right here in Brooklyn, but I am going to EDC, and I'm so hyped about that. So, guys, let me get straight into this flower headband. As you see right here, I have this beautiful red one. I wore it in my last video. I will link it below so you guys can see it on my head. And I absolutely love it, guys. I wear this flower headband everywhere I go. It doesn't even match my outfit sometimes. I'm wearing like army fatigue and sweatpants, and I'm like, you know what? I'm throwing this on. So this is it. This is exactly what this headband looks like on my head. Now I would show you guys the back, but I really don't know what my hair looks like in the back. You know what? For this video, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So this is the back, guys. Let's see. Oh Lord. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. That was the back. And this is the choker. As you guys can see, the flowers are different, and that is because they simply just ran out of flowers that were matching. Also, I didn't think if I wanted big flowers around my neck, that could be a little bit of a nuisance when you're out there raving, but it is okay because I still think that they look so good. Guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so let's get to it. So here's what you're gonna need. Your scissors, your Velcro, that's the hard part, and that's the soft side. Your spandex, flowers of your choice, hot glue for your hot glue gun, and the fabric you're gonna use for your base. The first thing you're gonna do is make sure your fabric is upside down. Then you're gonna take your spandex and simply glue it to the back of your fabric. My hot glue gun is so disgusting. Next, you're simply going to take your hot glue gun and get busy. When you are gluing down your spandex onto your fabric, please make sure your fabric and spandex are straight so there's no buckling. So as you guys can see, I left the ends. I did not glue them down. The reason I did not glue them down is because I thought I was going to complete the choker different, but you will see at the end how we complete it. Next, we're simply just gonna cut. Side note on this video, both the choker and the flower crown only took 5 minutes to make, and well, about 5 minutes to make. However, it definitely wasn't over 10 minutes. So I'm just going through and making sure that my choker is hot glue all throughout. Okay, so I have the soft part of the Velcro, and I'm going to use that as the base for my flower band because I no longer have my wire ribbon that I love to use and got from Michael's. I'm using this Velcro piece because it is durable and it's also a good width. As you see here, I'm just simply doing the same thing we did in the choker and just gluing down. I didn't glue down the ends on the flower band either, but that's just because the Velcro that I'm using here, which is the soft side of the Velcro, it's too long for the fabric. Okay guys, so this is the flower band, or the band before the flowers. As you can see, I messed up just a little bit. Hey, I'm going to fix that. I already attached my elastic to the other end and it's not measured. Please measure everything around your neck and your head before you cut anything. That is very, very, very important. As you can see here, I have both the choker and the headband laid out. This is the fun part, the flowers. So I'm just going to pull that off. Okay, well, I couldn't pull the stem off. We're just going to cut the stem off and we're going to place the flowers down to see where I want them to go. Placement is key. You don't want them too far apart. Once you cut off all the stems on your flower, you simply just glue them down. And remember, guys, glue is what? Your friend.
Glue is your friend. Glue is your friend. Glue is your friend.
Next is the easy part. You're just going to glue your flowers onto your choker. Remember, spacing is key. So place the flowers, I say, before you glue them down so you know where you want them to go. As you can see, guys, here I'm just adding more glue because we all know that glue is what? Your friend. So I changed my mind. I decided to actually glue the sides down. As I said in the beginning of the video, I thought I was going to attach the choker a little differently than I did here. Next, we're going to attach the Velcro. As you can see, this Velcro is different than the Velcro that I showed you in the beginning of the video because I use the soft part of the Velcro I used in the beginning of the video for the flower band, as I stated before. I feel like my hot glue gun has every single craft on it that I've ever done. You're going to make sure that you place your soft Velcro on the right side of your choker, as well as the hard part. So you want the soft part that I'm gluing down right now on the outside of the choker, and you want the hard part, which I will glue in a second, on the inside of the choker. You want more soft part than hard. You only need a small part than hard. That way you can adjust your choker. And the reason why I use more soft than hard is because who wants a scratchy choker? And voila, once you stick that on, you is done. And I love it.
Voila, you're done.
Okay, guys, so here's the flower band. I'm doing the same exact thing as I did with the choker. I'm just cutting the stems, placing the flowers on, and remember, spacing is everything. I know you like, didn't she just say hot glue was everything too? But spacing is everything too. So basically everything is everything. And here is the flower band. I already cut the spandex on the end that I'm going to attach to the other side like so. I measured this on my head. Guys, remember to measure, 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 measure. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. That is the flower band. Here is the choker. We are all done. And now you're ready to go make any festival outfit or any everyday outfit a little bit more funky. Thanks for watching. Bye.